Sawadee. I'm so happy to be in Thailand, and I'm delighted to share all about our wonderful school in Kelowna, BC, Aberdeen Hall. So we are a kindergarten to grade 12 school. We're a kindergarten to grade 12 school. And just to show you where we are in Canada, so everybody is familiar with Vancouver. We are a short hop away, about 35 minutes flight or a 4-hour drive through spectacular mountains. And this is the city of Kelowna, BC. So we are a 4 seasons getaway location. So we have spring, summer, winter, and fall. And we have the most beautiful natural environment that we're surrounded by. So we have ski hills within an hour drive. We have a 200-kilometer lake. So there's boating and there's camping and there's beach activities. We are also known for our wonderful wine. And so we have orchards and vineyards, so lots of fresh fruit. We're the fruit basket of the Okanagan Valley for Canada. So we are a full immersion school for our international students. This is our campus right here, and we're on 44 acres of beautiful, beautiful, pristine land, and we're right beside the University of BC, UBC Okanagan campus. So we're next to each other. UBC's main campus is in Vancouver, and this is their other big campus right beside Aberdeen Hall. So we are 20 years old, which is a pretty new school, and you'll see by looking through our photos here that our facilities are world ranked, they're new, they're beautiful, they're innovative. This is our lecture theater, which seats about 135 people. It's got a full-size LED screen. It's got a sliding wall that can make it into 2 distinct classrooms. This is the view that we have from inside our school on 44 acres of land. So some of our facilities. Have a look at our recording studio for music lovers. This is one of our classrooms. We call it the Skylab classroom. This is brand new, our athletic and wellness center. So it's probably one of the nicest gymnasiums in the city of Kelowna. We've got STEM labs. We have a wonderful robotics program, drone technology. Applied Design Center, which is brand new this year with 3D printers and technology labs. So first and foremost, we are a university preparatory school. And so academics is our primary focus. So we have small class sizes, about 18 to 20 average students in a class. And what we can do with the small class sizes is focus on teacher-student interaction, supporting students where they need to be, challenging students where they need to be. Ultimately, we want these kids prepared to go to university. For our international program, English at a level to successfully enter a grade is required. However, we understand that international students are not going to have the same level as English as local kids, and so we provide, included in our tuition, supplementary English language learning class. And so that focuses on the 4 major skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking, and preparing students for when they have to write their IELTS or TOEFL exams to get into university. So this class is mandatory because we want to support our international student success. We are an AP school, that stands for Advanced Placement, meaning that in the final year of high school you can be taking classes and get university credit. So these are some of the classes that we have in our AP program. Those do change based on demand from the students. And we have a great series of electives to choose from. We have 4 pathways to university. We have the Faculty of Science, Faculty of Business, Faculty of Arts, and Faculty of Engineering. So once a student is in grade 10, they will have an individual meeting with our university guidance counselors who will help them from that point on determining their path towards university. And that's based, of course, on interest and what the student's strengths are. This is our platform of sharing academic work and updating with students and with parents. So this is the My School program. Parents will have a link so that they can access their children's homework, their progress, their marks. So it's really important for us, for families abroad, to be able to stay in touch with their children. Really strong athletic program. You can probably tell by our new athletic and wellness center that that's really important to us. We play all the standard school sports. We are an independent school, and so we play against other independent schools locally, as well as Vancouver, Victoria, and South Okanagan. We also have a wonderful arts program. So we have drama, we have visual arts, we have great music programs. The music program starts in grade 3, and students have a choice of taking violin, cello, guitar, or when they're in high school, commercial and popular music. We also live in one of the most beautiful areas in the world. That's in central British Columbia, and incredible outdoor education opportunities, one of which every student will do and is included in their tuition. It's called Horizons Week. So during the year, each grade cohort will go out into the countryside with professional guides and have the opportunity for a week of zero technology, but pure communing with nature and teamwork with their classmates. So, because we're an academic-focused school, we're a university preparatory school, we are thrilled that we have a 100% acceptance rate to universities around the world. The majority of our students stay in Canada because we have such a great education system, but we also have students going to top universities in the USA and the UK. So our international program, which is why you've tuned in, is we have a small but comprehensive international program. We have a total of 700 students at our school from kindergarten to grade 12. 95% are local Canadian students. So that's families within the Kelowna community. So we have about 5% international students. And what that means is that every student that joins us at Aberdeen Hall has a full experience of immersing in English, in the community, and in our educational environment.
Is that you? In the photo, is that you?
Yes, that's me. That's me.
You even look younger today.
Thank you. Such a charmer. So one of the things with our international students is we help provide leadership opportunities throughout their experience at Aberdeen Hall and community engagement. We do that, one of the ways is through volunteer experience. We think that's really important. Philosophically is to give to others. And what we do is we make sure that it adapts to each student individually. So this young girl from Hong Kong, she's in grade 9, very shy. And so we have her in a program where she's reading storybooks to kindergarten children at the school. So it provides a connection with the Aberdeen Hall community. It also gives our students an opportunity to have an audience that just cherishes being with them. So they don't have to feel unconfident with their English ability.
To be more confident.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, but of course it's great also for vocabulary, for reading aloud, for cadence, all those things in storytelling that are part of Canadian culture and maybe not so much with kids from other parts of the world. So it's a win-win. And of course the kids just love stories being told to them. We have students again who are older, more mature, their English level is better. So for example, this young lady here is in grade 12. She volunteers at a local coffee shop as a barista that's in our hospital. And so what she's doing is getting real life skills, using money, interacting with people across the community, making coffee and snacks and things. So it's something she can take with her. So we do our volunteer work based on where the students are at, what's going to challenge them, but also in a safe and comfortable manner. Okay, this is something that's really unique to our school and that we're very proud of, and that's our school-run family boarding or host family program. It is managed by the school, and all of the host families are members of the school community. So that could be teachers, could be staff, could be alumni, could be families whose kids currently go there. So we are a community, we know everybody, and we know that every single family has met the requirements, not only as outlined by the BC Homestay regulations, but because they care about the kids and they know the integrity of Aberdeen Hall. Jumpstart orientation, that's 1 week before school starts, and it's an opportunity for new students to be introduced to some of the academic programs at Aberdeen Hall, half days. The other half day, we are thrilled to bring them out into the community and have fun and see what Kelowna is all about. So we have a kangaroo farm, we have orchards, we have beaches, so they get lots of opportunity. And then when they start school next week, they've met some of their peers and are feeling a lot more confident. This is a quote from one dad. Actually, he says about his son, "He came here a boy, he is leaving a man." So that's a nice thing for a father or for any parent to feel about their kids. These are just some of our graduates on the honor roll, having received scholarships, universities around the world. This is just a little bit about me and my family. This is my eldest son. That's my youngest son. And these were twin sisters I had as they were my host daughters, and they lived with us for 5 years, and they still call me Mama. One of them got a $40,000 scholarship to UBC, and she's now a professional engineer, and her twin sister has a master's degree in science. So they've done extremely well, and I see them all the time. This is just some of the celebrations, because we work hard, we play hard, but we love to celebrate some of the milestones in our life and cultural events. So this is be with host families, because every student that lives with a host family is treated as a part of the family, making gingerbread houses, Christmas, graduation, eating. We love to celebrate with food. We celebrate the Lunar New Year. We celebrate Halloween. We love to celebrate just how fortunate we all are and how happy we all are. So I would like to say, Kapkun Maka, thank you for joining us, and please go onto our website and you can learn more about us at Aberdeen Hall.
A big round of applause for Elaine from Aberdeen Hall. So, I've seen a picture that is written that when a boy go there, he came as a boy. When he left as a man. The question is, if I go there as a man, how I left? As an old man?
We know you're a charming man, so I think you just become more suave.
Can I left as a boy because I want to grow younger? No? Maybe yes.
Yeah.
Who knows? Because, living or staying in Kelowna makes people really look younger. Look at you.
Well, we have such a wonderful
Nature. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But
wonderful Mother
environment's
Nature.
great.
Very
Mother
beautiful.
Nature is absolutely beautiful.
Right.
Mountains and lakes, and it just you feel healthy and alive and vibrant.
Right, that's why you look younger in every
Yeah.
photos. You look younger,
Yes.
younger, and today you look the youngest.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Okay, thank you very much, Elaine. So, one more word.
Yes.
Please be kind to the Thai parents if they want to send their children to Kelowna. Okay, what would you say to let them trust you?
I would say that we treat your children like our own children. We are parents. We're also educators. The safety, the well-being, and the success of your child is our entire goal.
Thank you very much, Elaine. You are very kind. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just want to take your hand, not the microphone, one more time. Thank you very much, Elaine.